Before you skip this video, let me ask you one thing. Have you ever seen a weld joint that looks simple, but actually requires extreme precision to avoid failure? What you're watching right now is not just welding. This is control, technique, and experience working together. Most welders make a critical mistake at this exact joint. They rush the bead, overheat the center, and end up with cracks or weak penetration. In this video, I'll show you what not to weld, and more importantly, why. Look closely at the center line. This line decides whether the weld will last for years or fail under pressure. A lot of people think more heat means stronger welds. That's completely wrong. Too much heat here causes distortion. Too little heat means poor fusion. So balance is everything. Now pay attention to the electrode angle. I'm not welding straight in. I'm slightly adjusting the angle to distribute heat evenly on both sides of the joint. This technique allows you to run lower amperage while still achieving deep penetration. Notice how the bead is built step by step. No rushing, no unnecessary movement. This is how professionals control the weld pool. Big weld beads don't mean strong welds. Controlled beads do. Now focus on the finish. No undercut, no excessive slag. The joint is clean, balanced, and structurally sound. This type of welding is used in structural fabrication, industrial repair, and high-load applications. If you're a beginner, watch this video more than once. Every detail matters. And if you're an experienced welder, comment below. Would you weld this joint differently? If this video helped you understand welding at a deeper level, hit the like button and follow the channel for more professional welding techniques. Thanks for watching till the end. More advanced welding content is coming next.